Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Aliexpress orders. So watch this video till the end. In order to cancel your Aliexpress order, let's say that you happen to order something but then you want to cancel it. Now the process of the cancellation depends on which stage the order has already been processed, which means that if your order has already been seen by the seller and it is already packaged and it has been shipped to Aliexpress, and it's a little bit complicated process if the seller has not seen your order, so you can do so right away. What you can do is just go to the Aliexpress app. Go to the account icon from the bottom right corner, go to my orders and click on this view all, and you will be able to see all the orders here. Just select the order that you would like to cancel, hit the cancel button for the instructions, and then you should be good to go. From there onwards, if you want to find in the future the cancel order, then you can just swipe these options and tap on this return and refunds. You will be able to see all the return items in the cancel orders as well. So this way you can go ahead and cancel your Aliexpress order. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.